Customer feedback is essential to the Amazon shopping experience, whether positive or negative. For example, negative reviews can help you quickly identify and address problems with a product listing before your business is further impacted. And product returns can reveal whether or not customers' expectations were met. Responding to customer inquiries can help reduce returns and potentially increase positive reviews by ensuring customers have the information they need before purchasing. To access and manage customer feedback, log into your Amazon Seller Central account and select the menu in the top left corner of the page. Hover over the Performance tab and select Feedback Manager. At the top of the page, the Customer Service Insights section provides visibility into your customer service performance. You can engage with customer inquiries through the buyer-seller messaging service by clicking Go to My Inbox. You'll also receive email notifications with a link to review and respond to customer inquiries. Keep in mind that questions and your responses will be visible on the product page for other shoppers to reference. The Feedback Manager section allows you to track and manage buyer satisfaction metrics, such as your feedback rating, and view detailed feedback entries from customers. Under Recent Feedback, you'll see all reviews and their ratings from the last year. We recommend filtering reviews by the lowest ratings to see what's having the biggest impact on customers and addressing those first. To respond to a customer review, you can select Post a Public Reply under the Actions dropdown. You can also visit the Voice of the Customer dashboard for a deeper dive on customer feedback, customer experiences, health metrics, and information on emerging product and listing issues across all your offers. To access the dashboard, select the menu from the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Performance and click on Voice of the Customer. Review the CX Health breakdown of your listings section to identify offers that need attention in your subcategory. Under Offer Listings, click the See Details button under Action to access the details for a specific ASIN. Look for the return reason code breakdown and corresponding customer feedback for the previous 30 days. Customer feedback includes return comments and product reviews. You can also look for trends within the return reason code distribution. For example, if the return reason code distribution between too small and too large has a big imbalance, your sizing might be incorrect. For more information, you can watch the Voice of the Customer overview video in Seller University. To manage your customer returns, select the menu in the top left corner of the Seller Central dashboard. Hover over the Orders tab and click on Manage Returns. At the top of the page, you'll see 4 quick access links to resources, such as more information on managing returns, FAQs, reports on return activity, and editing your Seller University settings. The main table displays all of your recent return requests with details like order number, product, return reason, and return status. You can use the search bar to find specific return requests by order ID, return merchandise authorization RMA number, tracking ID, or ASIN. The filters let you narrow down the return requests by created date, date range, or marketplace. You can switch between different return request views to either see all returns, pending returns to be actioned, completed returns, or requests with an A to Z claims. For each return request, you can take different actions, such as authorizing the return, issuing a refund, marking the refund complete, or contacting the buyer directly. We recommend that you respond to any incoming return requests within 24 hours. We also recommend regularly reviewing your returns performance dashboard to identify areas for improvement. Click the View Returns Performance link to monitor your returns performance dashboard. Ensure your returns metrics stay below the stated thresholds to help guarantee a positive return experience for your buyers. For more best practices for handling feedback from customers, read through the Managing Your Seller Feedback Guide in Seller University.